Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. I am Aisha Firdaus and you are watching Teachers World. Hopefully you all are doing good. At this point of time in India, it is either winter vacation or it is a mini vacation sort of thing, especially in South India. In Telangana it is like Sankranti vacation, okay, and they have like a week's time. So what are we going to do as teachers, as parents, as students? And this is very important and crucial because many a times teachers are worried students will get a break and they literally forget what they have to learn, how they have to learn, and all these things. And parents are like literally don't have an idea of how to keep them engaged, okay, because it's either 24 hours of watching TV or on phone or something of that unguided or misguided sort of thing going on in at home. So what do we need to do? First and foremost, we have to break that thought process that makes us feel that we are after a very long time into a break or something. There's nothing of that sort. It's like owing to something that comes from the state government, something of that sort. The rule is implemented. That doesn't mean that is the end of the learning process. We as educators, we as parents have to realize that the learning has to go on 24/7 throughout the year. Every day is meant to learn something. So this sort of a break, sort of feeling, relaxed feeling where you're doing so much of hard work and you get a break, that is not valid for all the students and all of them actually. So we need to break it. And what is important is we have to put the students on track and believe that every day is meant for them to learn something. It's not necessarily only for the books, only for the exams. It is like learning is an ongoing process, okay. It is through some informal activities, through interactions, through family conversations, through wisdom visits also we can learn something. Even when you cook together with your family, there's lots of learning happening, and you can also add subjects to it. You know what I mean to say. So let's break this way of thinking that break is something which is like which you need not do anything, you're just going to chill, relax. No. Please take a break here and you rewind your thinking, revive it, and feed the same thing into the parents' mind and teachers' mind as well. So what do you need to do is establish proper communication through WhatsApp. Keep sending regular messages, record your videos and send into class-wise groups. Keep them engaged, give them some enjoyable activities wherein they can learn. Let them watch some podcasts, some news, and prepare notes. Build the habit of journaling. Take them to some heritage sites or do some wisdom visits. At the end of the day, they have to record what they have learned. So keep these things in mind for mini vacation.